Hello everyone, we're going to be doing homework number 10, number 4. A bond analyst is analyzing the interest rates for equivalent municipal bonds issued by two different states. At alpha equals 0.5, is there enough evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the interest rates paid by the two states? Right here we have a chart for state alpha and state bravo with the sample size, mean interest rates, and population variances. Now it doesn't say exactly what we're going to figure out, but if we look in the answers, it looks like we're going to find a test value. So let's do that. So number 4 says we're going to be finding the test value. Now the test value in this case, we're just going to put it as z. So we're going to find z. Now to find z, we're going to be using this formula. Z is equal to x1 minus x2 divided by the square root of standard deviation squared 1 divided by n1 plus standard deviation squared 2 divided by n2. Now, they already gave us everything we need to know right here. So we have n1 equals 60, n2 equals 40, x1 equals 3.5, x2 equals 3.9, and right here, I want to explain something really quick. So something I want to explain really quickly is this little chart, I guess. So the population standard deviation is just the O. Now, right here, as we've seen in this formula, it's going to be population variance, in which is just standard deviation squared. Now, the same thing applies to the S, or the sample standard deviation, as it's just alone, while the sample variance has the square root to it. So, with that knowledge, let's continue on. So right here, we have the population variance 1 and population variance 2. So it's going to be 0.02 and 0.04. And with that, we have everything we need, so we're just going to plug that into the formula. Now right here, we got z equals 3.5 minus 3.9 divided by the square root of 0.02 divided by 60 plus 0.04 divided by 40. Now you see, we don't square it because we are dealing with a population variance. If it was a population standard deviation, we would have to square it. So in this case, it's just plug and play. So with that out of the way, we're going to simplify it down. So it's going to be negative 0.4 divided by the square root of 0.01333333 and 3. And with that, if we simplify it another time, we get z equals negative 10.954 with some more numbers represented by the dots behind it. Now in the homework, we're going to be rounding to 2 decimal places. So we're going to do that to our answer, and we get z equals negative 10.95. And with that, our answer is B. And here is all the work. Have a good one.